Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Mehboob. Today we study polynomial class 10, one of the important chapter. Polynomials. Suppose p of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on to a n minus 1 x plus an is equal to 0. So this is known as polynomial of nth degree. Polynomial of nth degree, because highest power of x is n. So this is known as polynomial of nth degree, and a0, a1, a2 so on to an are known as real coefficient and variable x where a naught should not be equal to 0. A naught should not be equal to 0. So this is the polynomial of nth degree. And what is the variable x? And a naught, a1, a2 so on to an. This is known as what? Real coefficient, and variable is x, and where a naught is not equal to 0. Now let us see here types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. The first one is linear. The second one is quadratic. Third one is cubic. Fourth one is biquadratic. So what is a linear polynomial? Example, 2x plus 5, a polynomial degree 1. A polynomial degree 1, linear polynomial. Quadratic means a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2. That is known as quadratic. Similarly, cubic means ax power 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. This is known as cubic polynomial degree 3. Biquadratic means a polynomial of degree 4. So there are 4 types of polynomial here: linear degree 1, quadratic degree 2, cubic degree 3, biquadratic which means degree 4. We will take one example: ax power 4 plus bx power 3 plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to what? 0. So this is known as types of polynomial. Okay, next, coefficient of a polynomial. Coefficient of a polynomial means what? Suppose you have seen a polynomial in the form of p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. So this is one of the polynomial of degree 3, because higher power is 3, cubic polynomial. Coefficient means what? A term which, a real coefficient means what? A term which comes before the variable. Here we can say that a is the coefficient of x power 3. A is the coefficient of x power 3. Similarly, b is the coefficient of x power 2. Similarly, c is the what? Coefficient of x. D is what? D is nothing but constant. What is a constant means? A constant without variable, a fixed number. And what is the degree of constant term? A degree of constant term is 0. A degree of constant term is what? 0. Degree of constant term is 0. This about the coefficients. as well as constant term. And what is the degree of constant term? A degree of constant term is equal to 0. Okay. Next topic, value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Suppose example, p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Find p of 1. So value of a polynomial means, suppose we have to finding the p of 1. What is the value of p of 1? This is known as value of a polynomial. Let us see p of 1. So we have to use substitution method. Instead of variable x, we should have to write 1. How to write 1, sir? 1 we should write in the bracket 1 square. 5 into 1 plus 6. So 1 is square. 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 5 ones are 5 plus what? 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6 what? 12. So what is the value of p of 1? P of 1 is equal to 12. So p of 1 is equal to 12. This is known as value of a polynomial. Okay, next one. Similarly, we have to find the value of p of x is equal to 2x square minus 7x plus c. Find p of 2. What is the value of p of 2? Same method, substitute in place of x 2, in place of x 2 again, here in place of x again 2 plus 6. So what is the value of 2 power 2? Yes, good. 2 power 2 is what? 4. 2 2s are 4. Similarly, minus 7 2s are what? 14 and plus here what? 6. So we shall multiply 2 4s are what, ma? 8 minus 14 plus what? 6. So 8 plus 6 what? Positive, add with positive. 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14 is what? Equal to 0. So what is the value of p of 2? P of 2 is equal to 0. This is known as value of a polynomial. Okay. Next topic. 0 of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Suppose example we have p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. Find p of 2 comma p of minus 2 and p of 1. Okay, so first value we have to find p of 2. How do we find p of 2? Substitute in place of x 2. X means 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 multiply 4 times, what do we get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, 16. 16 minus 16 what? Yes, very good. We got answer 0. So here in place of x we are substituting 2 and we are getting the answer 0, which means 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Similarly, second value p of minus 2. So in place of x we have to write minus 2 here. Minus 2 power 4 minus 16. So minus power 4. 4 is a which number? Very good, even number. So minus power even means what? Plus. And 2 power 4 is what? 16. So what we have? Plus 16 minus 16 both are cancelled. What is the answer, sir? 0 again. So we can say that minus 2 is also a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, minus 2 is also a 0 of a polynomial. Now we have to check the third value. What is the third value? P of 1. P of 1 means in place of x we have to substitute 1. So we have to substitute 1 means 1 power 4 minus 16. 1 multiply 4 times what? Yes, 1 again. 1 minus 16. So 1 is a positive, another is negative, means subtraction. So 1 minus 16 is minus 15 and minus 15 is not equal to what? 0. Which means what? 1 is not a 0 of a polynomial. 1 is not a 0 of a polynomial. So this is about the what is the topic? 0 of a polynomial. The zeros of a polynomial is depend on the degree. If the degree of polynomial 1, it have 1 0, degree 2, 2 zeros, degree 3, 3 zeros, and degree 4 means it will have a 4 zeros. I hope you understood this today class. So for more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, MA Elisa Maths. Thank you so much.